If you want to know what total chaos is like, I have 10 puppies inside. This is a 16 by 20 room, which is my unfinished house. And they love cat toys. They just love cat toys. These are all about 8-week-old puppies. And they are having a ball. There is Sassy, my cat, thinking that she wants to come in here. She's insane. There's Hannah. She's got the end of the cat scratching. Oh, now we're going to have a tug-of-war. Daisy and Spice are going to have a tug-of-war with that. There's little Cactus. Oh. Little Baloo Bear, he's got the ball. Oh, he dropped it. This is another cat toy. I love these cat toys. I've just dumped over the basket. That's Baloo in the basket of toys. There is little Chickadee. There's Cactus and Rosie on the cat toy. Hannah's going to town on the cat scratching thing. Hey, you'll have to be nice. Try to be nice. There is Rosie or Honeysuckle over there, out of the chaos. Yeah, this is what it's like. I'm going to have 10 puppies inside tonight in crates. I'm going to wear them out, I hope, and then they'll sleep.